Yo, what's up guys, Matt here from Scarebrain's channel. Welcome back to another video where today I'm doing emergency response Liberty County, as you can see in the top corner. So alright, let's get into it. Alright. So we are going to wrong one. I gotta switch team. I'm going to be a sheriff. 180. That's my call sign. This is my first time recording this game, and I have the SWAT game pass as well. I have, so I have every game pass to the game, so that's pretty cool. Alright, not to brag. I'm not a bragger. I don't brag, alright? So I'm going to be this. I'm almost a sergeant. I only have 135 more XP to go before I'm a sergeant. So and we're going to have my nice Camaro. I'm gonna have it standard because I like the way it looks. This thing is a sexy beast. And dispatch show me available for calls 10-8. I didn't actually. Okay, dismiss. Okay, let's go. Gotta stop. Where's the sun position? I don't know. Okay, it's right there. Is it going down or up? It is going up. Oh, I also have a private server, so yeah. Alright. So I'm going to pull into here to show you guys what this car looks like. Alright. Going a bit fast. So let's go here. Going to park. So this is what the cruise lights look like. They're pretty cool. They look good. I'm gonna also just park the car here. This is what the front of the car looks like. These are the rear lights. We have no front lights, but although you can see them. And it's just the back ones along with those, and then this is all lit up. Looks pretty good. We got the backs, those. I love the pattern, the light pattern. We got the two lights down here. Got a couple side lights. With the slick top one, you have lights on here. But let's turn that off and let's get into our call outs. Oh yeah. This is our spotlight, our takedowns. Spotlight. Takedowns. Looks like that. It's just those with the slick top. There's two right here, and then two the front, and that guy was just speeding. But we got our left alley and our right alley. I don't know why I said ally. Oh my lord. Alright, now we're ready. I got my blood drawn today. You see that? That's dank memes. Oh shoot, I have a green light. So, yeah. So now we have 125 left because it's already green light. Nighttime is the time where I write out most warnings because people don't have their headlights on, which is dangerous for safety reasons. I pull people over. Actually, I'm gonna go straight. I usually just drive through there because I like to, oh my lord! Oh. And of course we got shots. care anymore. You know what? I'm going to. Let me just. Oh, shoot. I didn't equip my taser. Did I even? We're going to the station. I don't even care. I just want to ride there quickly. Oh shoot, I'm gonna spin out. Ah, man! I also have that car. Alright, let's pull in. I forgot to use my turn signal. And I'm going to park right here. Alright, let's get our taser. And I'm also gonna equip stop sticks here. Taser. Stop sticks just in case, you never know. And my P90 carbon. Also have this game pass. So yeah, I'm going to have the P90 carbon. I'm going to equip that. Oops. Cell phone I'll put up here. P90 goes in 6. I have taser as 1, handcuffs 2, citation book 3, MDT 4, radar gun 5, P96. I have stop sticks as 9. Where is my? Alright. Then cones can be 0. Alright. We got a full heart bar. Oh, Jesus Christ. Wait. I'm so used to coming here to spawn car. Alright, nobody's coming. Oh, also these are traffic advisors. That's that one. This one. I'm trying to grab my freaking webcam, and it doesn't want to come. Oh my lord. Oh my shame lord. Do I have it? I'm moving it. Alright, we can put it up. I'm going to put it up in this corner. Up here. Actually, no. We'll have it up here. Alright. Alright. So, this is our left one, right one, both ways, and flash. Alright. I love this car. Oh yeah, we moved. I already told that. We moved a long time ago. I'm in the basement right now, which is where our computer is. Of course, he ran to stop. Alright, we're gonna be in pursuit of this dude. And I think his sidekick. Oh my lord. I came at him so quickly. Okay, that car's on fire. Spun out. Had an itch. That guy's dead. Spun out. Almost hit that light post. I'm glad I didn't. Oh, he's 1050'd. Suspect ran into the light post. Oh my lord. This thing is the glitchiest. Oh lord. Watch out, you better not come in front of me. That's what she said. Oh lord, I freaking hate pursuits because you always crash, especially when you're going so high speed. And of course, Alright, I'm going to get my taser. Out of range, out of range. Damn it. He shouldn't be out of range. Alright, we got him, we got him, we got him. Alright, he's arrested. Woof! Okay. Why are you running, man? Alright, I'm going to search him. He's got a cell phone. We're planning to... It's already been 11 minutes. Rob a bank. So are we planning to rob a bank? Oh shit. Oh. Alright, I'm just gonna pause it here until something interesting happens. Alright, we have some. Oh my lord. Yeah, he's killing. Where are my handcuffs? Oh, why are the handcuffs always up there? Hold! Oh my lord! I have him. It says I have him. You know what? I don't care anymore. Double freaking flipped. Oh my lord. It's because this damn thing. 2, 3, 6, 1. Oh my god! Why do I have 2 tasers? Jesus Christ. I don't need 2 tasers. Stop sticks can be 0. MDT is 4. Alright, I've got to get him because he's murdering everybody. Why? Why in the name of Jesus Christ? Why? Oh my god, why? Where is he? You know what? I'm equipping my P90. Oh, here he is. Oh, good. Frick you all. I should have totally had it. You know what? I'll go and SWAT team. Because I'm going to be a SWAT team in 100 more XP. That's when I get this vehicle, this huge ass Bearcat. That thing's a freaking beast. But for right now, I got the sexy beast, the Camaro. You know what? I'm getting a slick time. Why would I even think of doing this? You know what? I meant to have the Tahoe, which has the SWAT for the SWAT package, and it looks like that. It's pretty cool. There it is. It's not fast at all, though. And I've got to turn on the lights. Me too. Dispatch show me available for calls. And we have a new call. Alright, so log in, view active calls. Shootout. Alright, dispatch show me en route. This thing is so laggy. Alright, we got 3 people en route.